everyone, and welcome. I'm Lynn from WarmlyYours, and today we're talking about luxury for less, towel warmer essentials. We all love that feeling of stepping out of a shower at a high-end hotel or spa and wrapping ourselves in a warm, cozy towel. But did you know you can have that exact same experience in your own home every single day, and it's incredibly affordable? Today, I'm going to walk you through why a towel warmer is a must-have, how little they actually cost to run, and how to choose the perfect one for your space. Obviously, the best part of a towel warmer is the comfort, but there are huge practical benefits too. Have you ever grabbed a towel that didn't quite dry from the day before and it has that musty smell? Towel warmers dry your towels rapidly. This stops mildew and bacteria from growing, which means you don't have to wash your towels as often. It saves your washing machine and your water bill. A lot of people ask, isn't it expensive to leave on? Not at all. Most of our towel warmers use about the same amount of electricity as a standard light bulb. On average, it costs just about 15 cents a day to operate. Now that is true luxury for less. We have options for every budget and every DIY skill level. Let's talk about installation types. If you're doing a full remodel, a hardwired model like our classic Infinity series is perfect. It wires directly into your wall for a seamless no-cord look. But if you just want to upgrade your current bathroom this weekend, we have plug-in wall-mounted models. You simply mount it to the studs and plug it into a standard outlet. Our freestanding models, now renters, these are for you. If you don't want to drill into your walls at all, you need a freestanding model like our Barcelona or the sleek Ibiza. You literally take it out of the box, put the feet on, and plug it in. You can even move it to the laundry room to dry delicates or bathing suits. Now, if you're going to go with one of our hardwired models, you get to choose how you want to control it. We have 3 amazing timer options, and it really just comes down to your daily routine. First up is our countdown timer. This is the ultimate in simplicity. It has simple buttons for 2, 4, 8, or 12 hours. You just walk into the bathroom, hit the 2-hour button before you shower, and you're done. It warms your towel, dries it after, and shuts itself off automatically. No programming required. Next is the programmable timer. This is for those of you with a set daily routine. You can program this switch to turn on and off at the same time every single weekday. You'll never even have to think about it. Your towel is magically warm and waiting for you every morning. Finally, for the smart home lovers, we have the Wi-Fi timer. This connects directly to an app on your phone. You can set up complex schedules, and the best part is the remote control. Imagine you're driving home in the freezing rain. You can pull out your phone, turn on your towel warmer from the car, and have a hot towel waiting the second you step out of the shower. To recap, towel warmers give you a daily spa experience, keep your bathroom smelling fresh by stopping mildew, and cost pennies a day to run. Whether you're looking for a hardwired stainless steel model or a plug-in freestanding unit, we have the perfect towel warmer for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our website for more home luxury upgrades. Stay warm!